My dad mowed my arm off, and it changed my life for the better. I'm Jake, and my life flipped upside down after a freak accident. One day my dad was mowing the lawn, and as I walked by, I tripped and fell under it. I don't remember much, just pain, screaming, and then darkness. When I woke up in the hospital, my mom was crying, and my dad looked pale. That's when I found out my right arm was gone. At first, I was just grateful to be alive, but soon reality hit. I was right-handed and couldn't do anything. Writing, eating, even dressing myself. I fell into depression, isolating myself and giving up. Doctors said I'd adapt, but my left hand felt useless. Returning to school terrified me, especially when a new girl I liked turned me down with a pitying look. That crushed me even more. I read about bionic arms, but they were insanely expensive. Then one day I came home to a surprise. Family, friends, and neighbors had raised enough money to buy me one. I was speechless. The day I got my bionic arm, everything changed. I trained hard, and when I showed up at school, everyone was amazed. They called me the Terminator. Even that girl came up, asking if my offer was still open. I just smiled and said, I think it's not the case. Well, you understand now. I learned that life isn't about what you lose. It's about the people who stand by you.